Okay, Denver, if you're tired of the heat, you're going to want to turn up the volume and watch this. Now, before I get into anything here, I want to remind you what I'm talking about are averages and statistics. I'm not telling you as I record this on August 5th that it's going to be cold today or cold tomorrow or even cold later this week. What I'm here to tell you is that we are not that far away from really getting into the meat and potatoes of the fall season. So, as I record this on August the 5th, it's going to be nearly 100 today, nearly 100 tomorrow, nearly 100 on Thursday and Friday as well. But the first glimmer of fall kind of comes next week because coming up next Monday night is our first sunset that is before 8 p.m. of the season. So it kind of starts to give us an idea that we're starting to notice some of that dwindling daylight, right? Then, a few weeks later, on September the 1st, which is only about 4 weeks out, is the start of meteorological fall. So the way us meteorologists define seasons is by full months rather than by the astronomical purpose for the reason of equal climate keeping. Now, right behind that, September the 3rd, that marks the anniversary of Denver's earliest measurable snow on record. In fact, over 4 inches fell back in the 1960s with our earliest measurable snow on record, which was back on September the 3rd, 1961. Then, after that, just a few weeks later is, of course, astronomical fall, which is in mid to late September. And then we are 74 days away from our average first measurable snowfall date for us here in Denver, which is on October the 18th. So what's the point of all this? It's 100 today, it's 100 tomorrow, or near 100, basically the rest of the week. But we're not that far away from getting into the meat and potatoes of the fall season, and our first snow probably not that far away either.